Dear customers, my video will provide you with instructions to get rid of Sprimaris.pro, which is a malicious website targeting many popular browsers. It targets Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox, and occasionally it could also target Safari. The pop-up by Sprimaris.pro tries to force you into seeing a lot of web push notifications that are not decent. They are malicious because their aim is to forward the browser to many dangerous websites. So that's all because of web push notifications by Sprimaris.pro enabled. I strongly advise you not to interact with all these pop-ups. If you click the allow button, that's a mistake, but it can be fixed. Go to the menu, click on settings, then you need to go to privacy and security and select site settings, and finally in the permissions area choose notifications. Inspect the allow area and delete suspicious sites here. I also recommend investigating your available Mac applications, and if you find something suspicious in the list, be sure to delete it right away. I also believe that double-checking your Mac with the reliable antivirus for Mac is extremely important. You may do that with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get it on the page combocleaner.com. When the software is downloaded and installed, click on Start Combo Scan to begin the research of your Mac computer right away. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is the trial version or the premium version, the program will perform free scanning anyway, even with its trial mode. And the good thing about the trial mode of Combo Cleaner is that it lets you find the location of each specific thread. So when you are in the antivirus section, click on Review Results to see the detailed results and the location of each thread. So let's say that we have this very first thread identified. What we could do is to move the mouse next to it, and there will be a special button Show in Finder. So now we will find this malicious program in Finder, and we may right-click on it and move it to the trash. In the same manner you may do with other infected items. Click on Show in Finder, then you will be able to see that specific thread in Finder and to remove it manually. Or of course you may perform the removal automatically with the premium version of the program.